Arrive in style with this Ram 2012 2500 SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 2FG SLT, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth streaming audio, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 130 AM/FM CD MP3 and USB port for mobile devices. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.